the top performers of this Manning Cup season. One of the outstanding goalkeepers, Jaheem Williams, and the unfortunate end of a tough loss today. How are you feeling right now?
To be honest, I'm not feeling good, but as I say, I'm a teammate, them give it the game, so we just have to just work with it.
Yeah, you would have managed to keep well up until the penalty shootout, starting with a save from Romain Blake. What was going through your mind after making that save?
Win.
Yeah. And you know the penalty shootout ensued, and on the fifth penalty, one of your players missed the penalty shootout. How did you feel after that? Did you think the game was over?
To be honest, I did feel it over because him not normally go there, so from seeing go there, I say, yeah.
Alright, so STATS is out. You know, unsuccessful season. You guys didn't win a championship. But how do you feel about it, the overall season though?
Yeah, feel good because we come this far, so feeling good.
And you are a relatively young goalkeeper. You have more years to play in the Manning Cup. What can we expect from the young Jaheem Williams going forward?
More winnings, just yeah.
So do you think STATS will regroup and come again stronger and better next season?
Yeah, next year, sure, most definitely.
I will definitely win the Manning Cup.
Yes, Father.
Alright, good game again and good season.
Yes.